Okay, here's another look at the 97 Dodge Diesel being offered for sale on eBay. Like I said, 160,000 miles, about to click over 161. Let's check a little compulsory stuff here. Power windows, driver's side check, passenger side check. The passenger side window is not working. It was told to us that the fuse was taken out because the previous owner had a small dog that had a tendency to give himself some fresh air. So we'll have that fixed. Here's the driver's side window works. Power locks. Check. All right, let's take it up and down the road. Good stuff works. Air conditioner works, blows very cold. Got CD, tape deck. Okay, let's take it further. Truck shifts right on cue. Good oil pressure. Heavy acceleration.